Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In this video we will discuss how to set up D Link AC2000 Wi-Fi Extender. We will walk through easy and short steps that help you to set up the extender within 2 minutes. So watch this video till the end and enjoy seamless Wi-Fi connectivity to all over your home. So let's start the setup process. First of all, connect the D Link AC2000 Extender to a power outlet near your router and wait for the LED to turn amber. On your router, locate the WPS button, usually labeled WPS and might be on the front or back. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 seconds. The WPS light on the router should start blinking, indicating it is ready to pair. Within 2 minutes, press and hold the WPS button on the extender for 2 seconds until the LED starts blinking. The LED light on the extender will blink green while it is attempting to connect to the router. When the connection is successful, the LED should turn solid green, best signal, or amber, decent signal. If the LED stays red or does not connect, repeat the WPS process or try manual setup. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.